So in this very important short answer questions, all these are the 2 marks questions. Okay. So that means
Yes, sir.
all these are the 2 marks questions. Okay. So here find the value of x if the slope of the line passing through 2 comma 5 and x comma 3 is 2. Okay. So here what he gave one straight line. He gave one straight line. On this straight line he gave the 2 points, that is a 2 comma 5 is 1 point and another point b is x comma 3, and he gave the slope m is equal to 2. Then what is the value of x? Instead of here the point x coordinate is missing in the b. Okay, so first write the given points. Okay, so given points are a is equals to 2 comma 5 and another point b is equals to x comma 3. Okay, and the slope is given. Okay, slope m is equals to, usually the formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Okay, so but value is given. Okay, if you apply the values here, 3 minus 5 divided by x minus 2 is equals to 2. It is given. Okay, this 2 is given in the question. Okay, given that slope m is equal to 2. Okay, so now what is 3 minus 5? Okay, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 is equals to 2 into x minus 2. Take this 2 to this side, minus 2 by 2 is equals to x minus 2. That means minus 1 is equal to x minus 2. From here, x is equals to, take this minus 2 to that side, plus 2 and minus 1. Okay, that means 1. Okay, so
1.
therefore, what is the final answer? X is equals to 1 is the final answer. Okay, here by using the slope we can find the coordinate. Okay, so coordinate value, that is x value. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we come to the next question, find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 4 comma 5 and cutting off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Here what he gave, okay, so here this is y-axis and it is the x-axis. Okay, x and y axis are given here. Okay, so now according to the given concept, okay, so it is making equal intercept on the x and y coordinates. Equal intercept on the x and y coordinates. Okay, if the, okay, so if it is intersecting at a, so here also on y axis also it is intersecting at a. Usually a and b are the intercept. Okay, so and it is passing through minus 4 comma 5. Okay, this line is passing through 1 point. 1 point is given. 1 point is given. Okay, this is a rough diagram. Okay, so now here, yes. Okay, so given points. So I am writing the given point. So given point is equals to, okay, so minus 4 comma 5. Minus 4 comma 5 is the given point. And what is given condition? Equal intercepts. Okay, so making equal intercept. What is intercept form? Okay, so write the intercept form. Okay, intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1 is the intercept form. Okay, so given, what is given here? Given that, okay, it is making equal intercept. X-intercept is equals to y-intercept. It is given. It is given. Okay. X-intercept is equals to y-intercept. That means I am taking b is equals to a. Okay. This a is x-intercept, b is a y-intercept. Okay. B I am taking as a. So now if we substitute, replace x by a plus y by b. B also replacing with a only is equals to 1. Take LCM. LCM is a. So x plus y is equals to 1. Okay. Now x plus y is equals to a. Take it as equation number 1. This equation is passing through a of minus 4 comma 5. Okay, that means equation 1 passing through, equation 1 passing through the point. What is the point? Okay, a is equals to minus 4 comma 5 point. Okay, now substitute the point here in place of x and y. Okay, so if we substitute the point here, okay, so then so a x is nothing but minus 4 plus y means 5 is equals to a. Okay, so the value of a is 1. A is equals to 1. Substitute x, a is equals to 1 in equation 1. Okay, now I am substituting a is equals to 1 in equation number 1. Okay, so then x plus y is equals to a means 1. So x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0 is the required equation. Required equation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we go to the next question. Here, question is transform the equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0 into slope intercept form, intercept form. Already we discussed what is slope intercept form, what is intercept form. So first write the given equation. Okay, so what is the given equation? Given equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 is a given equation, right? So now first side heading is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Okay, so now I am going to convert into slope intercept form. Okay, so what is slope intercept form here? Y is equals to mx plus c is the slope intercept form. We are going to convert into this form. So we want y separately. Okay, so that means 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. Take 3y to that side. 4x plus 12 is equals to 3y. Take 3 to this side. Minus 3y became plus 3y when we took that side. Now 3 is multiplying here. If you take it to this side, it divides. Okay, that means 4x plus 12 divided by 3 is equals to y. So that means separate this 3 for both the terms. Okay, so that means 4x by 3 plus 12 by 3. Okay, so here we can cancel. Okay, 3 ones are 3 4 times. Okay, so that means what we get here. Okay, so y is equals to 4 by 3 x plus 4. Is it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c? Yes. Okay, so this is only the required y is equals to mx plus c slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Okay, so now after that, what is second form? Second form is intercept form.
Intercept form.
Intercept form. Okay, so in this only, okay, so we are taking second form, that is, okay, so intercept form. Intercept form. What is intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1 is the intercept form.
Plus y by b
Is equal to 1 is the intercept form, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to convert into this form. So for that, first take 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. Take this 12 to that side. 4x minus 3y is equals to minus 12. Whatever we get, okay, in the right side constant, divide by that number, same number. Okay, so that means we are dividing by minus 12 on both sides. Minus 12 on both the sides. Okay, so that means 4x divided by minus 12 or 4x minus 3y. Okay, so divide by minus 12 for this term, divide by minus 12 for this term, minus 12 divided by minus 12. Okay, so now you can cancel here. 4 ones are 4 3s are 3 ones are 3 4 times. Okay, 12 12 cancel, minus minus cancel. Here also we can cancel the minus minus. Okay, so that means what is remaining? X divided by minus and 3 plus y divided by, okay, minus already cancelled, we have plus 4 is equals to, okay, so plus 1 here, always we get plus 1. Okay, x by a, is it in the form of intercept form? X by a plus y by b is equals to 1 intercept form. This is only
Yes, sir.
the required intercept form. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any doubts still here?
No, sir.
No doubts? Okay, so the rest we'll discuss. Okay, so just copy this till here. Okay, if you have any doubts,